When we look at possible alien life, the focus is often on places like Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa. But today I want to go further, to a place that could be a candidate in the search of extraterrestrial life. 1.3 billion kilometers away there is the system of Saturn and his biggest moon, Titan. Titan's world has been discovered to an extent. We even have actual footage of the moon's grounds, but let's start at the base. Titan is one of the very few solar system moons that have an actual atmosphere. An atmosphere is simply a layer of gas and moisture that surrounds a planet, or in this case, a moon. It could be very crucial to the existence of primitive alien life. Even though it's mostly nitrogen and methane, it's still very promising. And even further, Titan is the only place other than Earth that we know has actual lakes and rivers. Even though these rivers aren't water rich, but methane and ethane rich. It is likely that there is liquid water beneath Titan's ice shell. Titan is approximately 10 times further from the Sun than our home planet. So it is only logical that this world is far colder than the rock we live on. The moon's temperature is about minus 182 degrees Celsius. Still, scientists say that Titan's environment in some ways is the same as the one theorized of our primal Earth. Thankfully, we have actual footage of the moon. In 2005, the Cassini probe, which deeply analyzed Saturn and its rings, had a second probe attached, the Huygens module. It was made and sent specifically for analyzing and sending back the first images of any world beyond Mars. What you see here are real images of that world. "5 billion years from now, the Sun's inner core will have exhausted its hydrogen fuel, which will result in it shrinking and becoming hotter, which will cause a drastic expansion in the outer layers of the star, making it a red giant. That will result in the Sun swallowing the inner planets, including Mercury, Venus, and potentially Earth. The drastic size increase would actually make Titan much more habitable. It would be warm enough for liquid water to exist, and the immense ultraviolet output of the giant sun would help the atmosphere strengthen the greenhouse effect that would make the moon more hot consistently. So in a way, maybe in 5 billion years you could think of Titan as the successor of Earth. But despite the biological possibilities Titan holds right now, there are obstacles to life on it. The moon is so far away from the sun, it is pretty frigid, and it lacks carbon dioxide. There is no liquid water at the surface, and some scientists think that Titan is not likely to be a habitat for life. Even though it's not definitive that Titan really hosts alien life. Thankfully, we can be excited. And in 2028, the NASA mission Dragonfly is supposed to launch. And the stakes are high. The plan is to get a quadrocopter or in other words a big flying drone, on the moon, get data, and hopefully update our knowledge of the mysterious moon. Be tuned and excited, because you may be looking at alien life right now.